row here at the Mara Hoffman Show. We're backstage with Tresemme, the official hair care sponsor of New York Fashion Week, and it's all about beautiful, touchable volume. Tyler, tell me about the look.
We're taking this 70s look, and with the new Tresemme Beautiful Volume line, we're able to recreate those classic styles, but in a more modern way where it's touchable and it has like this everyday movement.
I can't wait to see it in the clothes. I'll see you in the Tresemme salon later. And then guys, I'll be showing you how to recreate the look for yourself. We talked about this touchable volume. How do I translate it from a very high fashion runway vibe to, okay, everyday street style?
You're gonna start by prepping with the Tresemme Beautiful Volume pre-wash conditioner and shampoo. And you're gonna use the conditioner first, and we're gonna shampoo afterwards. It cleanses the hair and washes away weight. That's where you get all of that delicious touchable volume.
Delish.
So now we're gonna add the Tresemme Beautiful Volume Hair Maximizer, and you're gonna work it from the roots all the way to the end. It adds volume, but it keeps the hair soft and smooth.
Feels dry. Okay.
And not producty.
No.
Right? Touchable. Now for the fun part, we're gonna curl. You hold it horizontally, and you just wrap. Okay, now pull it off. Yay!
Yay!
Rough it up with your fingers and repeat that until it's done. So we're gonna finish with the Tresemme Beautiful Volume Hairspray. It's gonna give our soft 70s inspired waves that perfect hold without any of the crunch.
Crunch free. Oh, it is very soft, but with so much volume and woo, blah, blah, boom.